The Bullet Crossfire is a smooth-sided laminate travel trailer line with plenty of floor plans to choose from for the camping couple and for the campground-loving family. You'll find the Bullet Crossfire has a ton of nice features, especially for the price point and the weight of the trailers given their size. I'm going to show you the features both inside and out, go over some construction details you ought to know, then let you know what kind of vehicle it takes to tow a Bullet Crossfire, and give you some solid examples. So let's get into it. When you enter a Crossfire, you are immediately greeted by neutral tones in a carefully designed interior. The decor, known as Tranquil Timber, is elegant enough to stand on its own, but neutral enough to make it your own. The interior ceiling lights are linear and provide great coverage for the ample lighting. And if they're too bright, you can easily adjust them as they're dimmable. To keep the trailer cool on hot days, it comes equipped with a 13,500 BTU roof-mounted ducted AC. There is an option to get a larger 15,000 BTU model, and it's not a bad idea to consider doing so for the larger Bullet Crossfire floor plans. As for heat, you'll get an ample 30,000 BTU furnace so you can stay warm when the temperatures outside start to drop. Some models are also equipped with an electric fireplace. As you probably noticed, there isn't any carpet in here thanks to the durable Bowfloor vinyl flooring. Under that flooring is the HyperDeck composite structure. It's lightweight, won't absorb moisture, and has greater screw retention than laminated wood floors. When it comes to furniture, you can comfortably relax on the upgraded tri-fold sofa, or, depending on the layout, possibly even recline in theater seats. And yes, some models do have both. Select models will come with a U-shaped dinette as opposed to the standard booth dinette. And as for entertainment in a Crossfire, every model comes with a 12-volt smart TV with Bluetooth and speakers. And hooking up cable or satellite is a breeze thanks to the Keystone exclusive Key TV system. Moving into the kitchen, you'll find that every Bullet Crossfire has a seamless countertop with the stylish black stainless steel farmhouse sink and the waterfall pull-down faucet. For traditional cooking, you'll get a 3-burner high output range with glass cover and oven, and for those who love modern kitchen appliances, the Bullet Crossfire comes with a microwave, convection oven, air fryer combo. The refrigerator is a 10 cubic foot, 12-volt double-door fridge. For your dry goods, you'll get plenty of pantry space, full extension pull-out drawers, and most models will come with plenty of overhead cabinets as well. The Bullet Crossfire bedroom has a residential 60 by 80 inch queen mattress. Plus, the Crossfire has a decorative bedspread and headboard, reading lights and USB outlets on both sides as well. And if you're so inclined, most models will have TV hookup in the bedroom. In the bathroom, you'll find a vanity with mirrored medicine cabinet and porcelain foot flush toilet, which is great for easy cleanup. You're also going to love the shower with the surround, which is complete with multiple shelves for all of your bathing products. And you can enjoy a near limitless hot shower as the Bullet Crossfire has a Girard tankless water heater, so you can hook up to city water and steam up the bathroom with your extended shower. And if you happen not to be connected to city water, the Crossfire has a 54-gallon fresh tank. And to top it off, so to speak, the shower also comes with a skylight for more headroom and additional daylight. On the exterior, up front, you'll get large pass-through storage with extra large baggage doors. They are 30 by 20 inches, and there's a motion sensor light, which is great for grabbing gear at nighttime. Right under the pass-through storage sits power stabilizer jacks, which in combination with the power tongue jack up front, make for very quick and easy setup. New to this year is the edge lighting on both the front cap and rear wall, which really help the Crossfire stand out. You'll also have great peace of mind knowing that the Crossfire rides on a quality Goodyear Endurance tire. Moving further towards the back, you'll find a lot of Bullet Crossfire models come with an outdoor kitchen with griddle cooktop and beverage fridge, which is a very convenient feature. In the rear, the Bullet Crossfire has a ladder so you can inspect the fully walkable roof. Where most manufacturers are moving to just ladder prep, I'm honestly just really impressed they stuck with a ladder at this price point. There's backup camera prep so you can drop in a camera if you choose, and down below you'll find the rear accessory hitch, which is perfect for a bike rack or cargo carrier. If you plan to go off-grid or just want to keep your battery topped off, then you'll love the solar options. Every Crossfire comes Keystone Solar Flex ready with Protect 220 and Discover 440i packages available. And lastly, you'll get the Extended Season Camping Thermal Package, which allows you to stretch your camping season earlier into the spring and deeper into the fall. Okay, let's talk a little bit about construction. Bullet Crossfires are engineered specifically for each floor plan, but the great construction basics are all there. The front cap is painted, and for this year, it's a new high-impact thermoset resin. Every Bullet Crossfire comes with a fully walkable roof over your head and has a one-piece polypropylene heated and enclosed underbelly at your feet. Also down at your feet is the Dexter torsion axle rubber ride suspension that helps make the ride a tad smoother for the Crossfire, plus it comes with a 10-year warranty. The windows are 80% tinted safety glass, which makes them easy to see through and very difficult for the sun's rays to slide in and bake the interior. Bullet Crossfires also have Keystone exclusives, such as color-coded unified wiring for simple electrical fixes, tough-lock thermoplastic duct joiners, and true-fit slide construction for a solid seal for those with slide-outs. By the way, slide-outs on the Bullet Crossfires will be on a BAL AccuSlide slide-out system, and all of those, of course, will have manual override. Okay, let's talk about towability. In length, the Bullet Crossfire stretches from 23 to 33 feet. In dry weight, you'll find a range from 5,000 up to 7,200 pounds. Now, this is dry weight, so you'll have to factor in the weight of your camp gear to get your total gross weight. With that weight range, you can tow a Bullet Crossfire, at least some of the models, with a larger SUV, such as a Toyota Sequoia, Dodge Durango, or Chevy Tahoe. As far as trucks, again on the lighter Bullet Crossfire models, you should be able to tow with a mid-sized truck like a Chevy Colorado or Ford Ranger, but for the most part, it's safe to say you'll want a full-size truck, a half-ton, like a Ford F-150, Chevy Silverado 1500, or Ram 1500. If you need help finding the tow capacity of your vehicle, just swing into your local Camping World and they'll be able to figure it out for you. While you're there, you can check out a Keystone Bullet Crossfire in person. Happy RV shopping and happy camping.